Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You're in WinRe and ready to act. Once the command prompt opens, first confirm which letter contains Windows by running -C, -D, / until you see the Windows folder. Drives often shift in recovery. Make sure your keyboard and language are correct. Now, with the correct drive letter noted, you'll start the System Restore tool from the prompt, so you get the interactive restore flow rather than guessing file paths. Run rstrui. exe from the command prompt to open the System Restore wizard. If Windows is offline, run rstrui. exe/offline, x, /Windows using the drive letter you identified. Once the wizard appears, click Next, pick a restore point based on date and description, and you scan for affected programs to preview removals. Confirm your choice and start the restore. The process will prepare files and automatically restart the machine to apply the selected snapshot, so don't interrupt power. When the restore finishes and Windows restarts, log in and test the issue you were fixing. Check Event Viewer if needed. If System Restore failed or didn't run, reboot to WinRe and run chkdsk x/f replace x to fix disk errors, then sfc/scano to repair system files. After that, retry rstrui. One key tip: if no restore points show, use vsadmin list shadows to confirm shadow copies exist and ensure system protection was enabled on the system volume before the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.